What's up, guys? I'm actually out at Witbank Dam. I'm using my boat for the first time. I'm actually been throwing my baits around a little bit, trying to get used to it, trying to get the hang of it. But it's going good. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, let's hope that I can catch some fish for you guys today, so I can break in this new boat. The weather is a little bit shitty. It's really overcast. It's been raining. As I said in my previous video, I'll link it below. You know, it's actually going through my boat. Yeah, so it's actually been raining so much that yeah, it just hasn't been the nicest. But I'm gonna carry on fishing. I'm gonna see if I can't catch a fish for this video. So stay tuned and enjoy. So leave a comment below if you guys have fished Witbank. Leave a comment below, tell me where to go fish. I'm also testing out trawler motor, the motor at the back. Everything does work. Okay, let's see. Come on, fish. This would be cool if I caught a fish on my first time at Witbank. Don't even know how deep this place is. Let's throw this lipless crank. Still nothing yet. Throwing a lipless crank, throwing that war pig, Berkeley war pig. Because I really haven't fished here, I don't actually know what to throw. Throwing a striking rage thumper. It's got candy color. Oh, there was something there, and I felt it. Here comes the rain. Man, my goodness. Or it was the wind pushing me back. Either one of those. Felt like a fish, felt like as if it was attacking. Come on, fish. Let me have it. I'm throwing up my confidence. Oh, I'm picking up all my confidence baits, all the baits that I usually catch with. So I'm just going to be very honest. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing at Witbank. That's why I asked you guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what works here. Let me know where to go. Let's actually take this beaver bait. Let's do this. By the way, I'm not doing an STB slam. Yeah, I'm really struggling to rig this. Okay, this I got. These are both STB products. It's pretty gross, actually. Makes the tail like a black color. Yeah, there's quite a few bass fishermen on this dam. Surrounded by one. There's one that side, and There's one driving past me right now. The wind has actually died off, which is quite lekker, but I think it might be in an area where there is just a wind protection. It's actually stuck. Oh no. It's like a station shit. Looks like a nice little place to stay, huh? Ah, they also make a huge wake. Okay, I know that video just stopped abruptly. I wasn't catching any fish, but this fishing trip wasn't about catching the fish. It was actually about testing my new boat. It works really well. The motor works, the trawler motor works. The battery on the trawler motor lasts really long. The petrol on the petrol motor lasts quite long. So it's very efficient. It's a very nice boat. It handles really easily. Pity I didn't catch. It would have been nice. But next time I go and do some fishing off my boat, maybe I'll be more lucky and catch some. I'm on my way back to Joburg now. I have an hour and a half drive. It's about 100 kilometers. So if you guys like this video, hit me a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more of small boat bass fishing, hit that subscribe button. I also do some bank fishing. I also do float tubing. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode with Bassing with Sasha.